Let's discuss dictionary methods. First one is dict.keys of it returns dictionary keys. Second one is dict.values of it returns dictionary values. Third one is dict.items of it returns dictionary items, that is key value pairs. Let's see one by one with examples. First is getting keys. The keys method returns a list of all keys present in a dictionary. Let's take one example. Dict1 equal to within curly braces string name colon string jog comma string age colon 24 print of dict1 dot keys of. Let's run it. See, the output is dict keys of within square brackets name comma age. Second one is getting values. The values method returns a list of all values present in a dictionary. Here in this example, I am giving print of dict1 dot values of. Let's run it. See, the output is dict values of within square brackets jog comma 24. Third is getting items. The items method returns the list of dictionaries key value pairs in a tuple. In this example, I am giving print of dict1 dot items of. Let's run it. See, the output is dict items of list having tuple pairs, that is name comma jog and age comma 24.